Zara, my English felt slow. I was thinking from my native language to English, which takes forever.
Mine was worse because I was hesitating. I was thinking, is this sentence correct before I spoke? It slowed me down a lot.
Zara, my English was slow because I was thinking of perfect words and grammar. I'd pause thinking, is this correct? Before every sentence.
Max, I also didn't have automatic vocabulary at the beginning. Words I knew but didn't use often weren't coming out quickly. I needed active vocabulary.
Zara, how do we increase speaking speed?
Max, we need speed talking drills. Talk about any topic for 2 minutes as fast as possible.
Zara, don't worry about mistakes or perfect grammar. Focus purely on speed.
Max, I woke up this morning and I felt tired, but I got up anyway and I made coffee and it was good, and then I keep going without pausing. This trains your mouth and brain to move faster.
Zara, do this 5 minutes daily. You'll notice improvement within a week.
Max, exercise 2 is shadowing at increased speed.
Zara, play audio at 1.25x or 1.5x speed and try to keep up.
Max, this forces you to process and speak faster than normal.
Zara, when you return to normal speed, it feels much easier.
Max, exercise 3 is quick response practice. Ask yourself questions and answer within 3 seconds. No pausing to think.
Zara, what's your favorite food? Immediate answer. Pizza.
Max, why? Immediate answer. Because it's delicious and easy.
Zara, train your brain to respond quickly, not perfectly.
Max, exercise 4 is filler word training.
Zara, instead of long silences, use fillers while you think.
Max, well, let me see. I think that, it's important to.
Zara, fillers keep conversation flowing while you organize thoughts.
Max, native speakers use fillers constantly. It's natural.
Zara, exercise 5 is speaking with a timer challenge.
Max, explain a topic in 60 seconds. Not 61, not 59, exactly 60.
Zara, this forces you to pace yourself and speak continuously.
Max, you learn to estimate time and maintain speed throughout.
Zara, exercise 6 is reduce translation by thinking in English first.
Max, before speaking, take 2 seconds to think your answer in English, not translate it.
Zara, this small shift dramatically increases speaking speed over time. Your brain learns to skip the translation step.
Max, now let's discuss vocabulary speed.
Zara, some words come to you instantly. Others you search for.
Max, the words you use most become automatic. Less common words are slower.
Zara, so increase your active vocabulary through repeated use.
Max, exercise 7 is word substitution practice.
Zara, can't think of perfect word? Use a simpler word immediately.
Max, don't pause 10 seconds searching for magnificent. Just say, very good, and keep talking.
Zara, speed beats perfection in conversation.
Max, let's address the balance between speed and clarity.
Zara, speaking super fast but mumbling is useless. People can't understand.
Max, goal is natural speed with clear pronunciation.
Zara, record yourself. Can you understand your own speech? That's the test.
Max, if you can't understand yourself, slow down and articulate better.
Zara, let's share our speed improvement journey.
Max, after 1 month of speed drills, my speaking pace doubled.
Zara, conversations became easier because I wasn't laboriously constructing every sentence.
Max, the speed drills felt awkward initially, but improved my natural speech.
Zara, I stopped translating and started thinking in English, which increased speed automatically.
Max, now let's give a 30-day speed training plan.
Zara, days 1 to 10, speed talking drill 5 minutes daily. Focus purely on pace, ignore mistakes.
Max, days 11 to 20, add quick response practice 10 minutes daily. Answer questions rapidly.
Zara, days 21 to 30, practice conversations with timer constraints. 3-minute discussion on topic without long pauses.
Max, track improvement by recording yourself weekly.
Zara, compare week 1 to week 4 recordings. The difference will be obvious.
Max, final tips for speaking speed.
Zara, don't sacrifice clarity for speed. Natural pace with clear articulation is ideal.
Max, accept that you might make more mistakes when speaking faster. That's okay.
Zara, mistakes while communicating beat perfect silence.
Max, practice in low-pressure situations first. Friends, language partners, talking to yourself.
Zara, as speed becomes comfortable in practice, it transfers to real conversations.
Max, all right, everyone, do a 2-minute speed talking drill right now.
Zara, pick any topic and speak as fast as you can for 2 minutes without stopping.
Max, comment how it felt. Difficult, awkward, fun.
Zara, see you in the next video.
Max, speak faster, communicate better.